Hi, it's Hava for Denver Gold and Silver, and I have the perfect gift for Father's Day or any occasion. This is a sterling silver antiqued Gecko belt buckle, almost a one-of-a-kind item. It's hallmarked sterling on the back. The Gecko is 3 3/4 inches long and approximately 2.5 inches wide at the top here. It's 102.1 grams of sterling silver. A Gecko belt buckle. What a perfect gift. It's available at Denver Gold and Silver, where we buy gold and silver jewelry and coins, or please check the drop-down menu for more information.